everyone, it's Kezzie over here from Kezzie's Corner and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my corner, and if you're a returning subscriber, oh my god, thank you so much for coming back, it means the world to me. So today's video is going to be about this palette right here, the Villains Ursula palette from Catrice. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. So if you want to see what I thought of the palette and how I achieved this look, then keep on watching, and if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video.
Okie dokie, so let us begin.
So today I will be using the Villains Catrice eyeshadow palette, and this looks like this. Oh, look at those shades. Like, those shades are absolutely stunning. We have some purples here, we have some neutrals, we have some silver going on. We have this shade which I am dying to swatch. That is what the swatch looks like. Pretty nice. So we'll just see what we're gonna do. Obviously, I always start with my brows. This is not just going to be a Catrice look. I'm going to be using various products because that is how I roll. So for my brows today, I'm going to be using the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Gel, as well as setting my brows using this was from Primark, but outer packaging has completely gone off. Yeah, we got the brows on place. And now we're just going to set my lids for the shadow. And as you know, I always use this one right here, which is the Prime and Block from Revolution. So you put a little dollop on your eyeball, and then I get my favorite brush. This is an old e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, but they still do this, guys. And oops, I was gonna poke my eye, and I'm just going to literally just blend that into my lids. Okay, and then I just like setting it with my beauty blender. Well, this is not a beauty blender, this is my Real Techniques new sponge. Absolutely love it. It's so nice and soft, guys. Okay, so now we're just going to go into with this baby, and I'm just going to see what I'm going to do. So yeah, this part is always Alright, so I'm going to start. Let's start with this shade, which is actually called Hideous. So I'm just going to start. Hello? Why isn't this focusing? Hideous, which is that shade right there. It looks like a really pretty mauve pink shade. So we're just going to go in with it. So something like that. I absolutely love this color. It's like a really pretty pink shade. Perfect for your first crease shade. I have like a bit of a dry patch over here on this eye. So if you notice that there's like a patch, that is why, because I have a dry patch on my eyelid, which is really annoying. I'm actually going to go in with Wave, and I'm going to put it on top. So Wave is this lilac shade right there, and it actually has like a bit of like a shell on it, obviously because, you know, Ursula and all. And I'm just going to apply this sort of at the top. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back into Hideous to just build up the shade, and also to apply and maybe cover my dry patch, which is really annoying me. I think I'm just going to apply Cave, which is this like pink shade right here, and I'm just going to build that into my crease. So literally just in my crease. So basically what I did, I just applied a lot of cake, and now I'm just going to go back into Hideous to blend it out. But yeah, my eyes aren't cooperating today. I'm so sad. Anyways, so this is what we have done. So now we're just going to take a small teeny weeny brush, And we're going to use shade, this one, which is called Darkness, and we're going to use that one as our outer V. I like the effect that it has given. Let me just explain to you guys sort of what I did. So first I used this brush, which is the AOA Studio E1 Trio brush, and I'm just going to create a V. So literally like an outer V. So something like that. And then with this brush, which is a Revlon crease shadow brush, I'm just going to blend it in and then drag it inwards in my crease like that. And then I just use my big AOA 127 to just blend all the colors in. I don't know, today is not my day, I feel. But something like that is perfect. Okay, so now I'm just going, I think I'm not even going to do a cut crease today, simply because I just don't feel confident enough. And you know, these days happen, so it's pretty normal. So let me just see which shade I'm going to use now. So I'm going to use Moray, which is that one right there. And I'm first going to apply it using my fingers. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Wow, they're really pigmented. These shimmer shades are so pigmented. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take Ocean, which is the silver glitter shade, and it's this one right here. Oh my god, it's so stunning. And I'm going to just literally press it on. Oh, hello there. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely stunning. Look at that. These glitters are beautiful. I love how they blend out, but now I have to kind of get rid of, I'm going to go and get rid of the glitters which have fallen, so I'll be right back. So the glitters are absolutely stunning. I'm shook by them. So I'm just going to basically go back into that darkness shade and blend in darkness with these glitters because it is stunning. And I like how I first applied the Moray shade like that. I was able to then use Ocean. Yeah, with these brushes then you can be a wee bit more precise. I think something like that is amazing. So I'm going to stop here for now with the eyes, and we're just going to go in and start our face makeup. So the first thing I'm going to be using is this one right here. It's from Benefit, and it is the Professional Pearl Primer. Now I'm just going to use foundation. And the foundation I have today is the Dream Urban Cover from Maybelline. It has SPF as well. Yeah. I'm just going to apply this on my sponge, which I absolutely love. I don't know if I applied too much. So we gently put it on. Oh no, I think this is a way, oh no, this is way dark. Oh dear God, why? This is a new foundation, guys, so, oh, look at that difference. Oh days, oh my days. It's like I put, you know, suntan on. Now I'll put down on my chin as well to make sure everything matches. And I'm just going to put a little bit. It's quite lightweight, my goodness. It's like the sponge really swallows it really quickly. I don't know if maybe I should have used sort of a brush, but I guess this will come in handy when I will be using fake tan. And I'll just leave it for that. What color did you get, Kez? Nude beige. So let's just use concealer now to, I don't know, fix whatever I've done. Oh dear. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop concealer, which is that one right there. I'm recording a TikTok as well, while obviously filming this video. I like need to multitask these days. So the only thing that I don't like about the Maybelline foundation is the shade, because apart from that, everything is fine. So I'm sure that if I got it in my right color, it would have worked. So what I'm going to use for powder, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus pressed powder is the powder I'm going to go for first, as you know, I set underneath my eyes, so let's just set those down. Let's do bronzer so we get the face done. So I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula bronzer to bronze my face. Not that my face needs it right now, but you know. Now I'm actually also going to be doing some blush today, which I never do. And this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon in apricot in the middle. It's just a stunning blush which looks like that. Yeah, I don't like applying that much blush, but apparently today I did. I'm just blending everything together now. That's fine. Okay, let's go back for now with the face, and I will do my highlighter later. So we're going to go back into Villains, and we're going to take a shade for our inner corner. Okay, so I'm just going to take this one, which is called Voice. So that's the inner corner done. And now I'm just going to take a small brush for my lower waterline. And I'm just actually going to take, I didn't use Greed, so I'm just going to use this one. This Greed shade. I don't want anything dark underneath. I mean, what you can do then is you can take Hideous, which is that one right there. And I'm just going to put it in my corner only. Like that. Okay, so for highlighter, I just did it. I'm using this Mina, the Co-Elixir highlight. And I just literally put a blob and I'm just blending that in. But I think I'm going to be glowing exaggeratively because obviously I did a little bit too much. Got that. And now I'm going to take, oh yes, this Gigi Hadid mascara. And this was a collaboration from a while back. You have the fibers over here, so I'll just put a wee bit, not a lot. Okay, so now before I do my lips, I'm just going to set my face. And I kind of want to try this one. This is new. It's the Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Spray from Benefit. It's a new product from them. And I'm just going to give it a try. I don't know what it did, but I hope it set my face. I was feeling barely any product literally come out, but anyways. So now finally I'm just gonna apply some lipstick, and I think I'm just gonna take this one right here. This is the one I wanted, sorry. So this is the e.l.f. Tea Rose Liquid Lipstick, which is this one right here. Oh my days, absolutely love this. So I'm just going to finish and I'll be right back. This is the finished makeup look. I just thought of zooming in. The glitters I noticed are starting to patch a little bit, and I fixed them quite a bit of time, so I'm a bit annoyed about that because in previous palettes I didn't find that I had this situation. Now I don't know if it was my eyes or something, because I know that I have a dry patch on this eye, so that was a bit of problematic, but apart from that I really like it. So this is the makeup look that I created using this palette. So I hope you liked the finished makeup look. I hope you liked today's video as well. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, and I only have one more video to show you from the Disney series, because I only got 2 of the Catrice palettes, but I also, oh my god, I'm so orange, so don't mind that. But I also have this last one, so this is the last palette that we had that we'll be testing out. It's quite different to any palette that I actually have, so don't know what I will do with it, but we will see. So that is the last palette that we have from the Disney series. But yeah, just wanted to say that. So yeah, I am going to go now. Don't mind my neck, don't look there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!